Hey guys, we're back to another video. Today we're talking about severe weather in today's video. So welcome back to another video. Before we start today's video, go check out my shorts channel. I post updates on there, watches and hurricane updates on there, like watch severe weather watches and updates. I try my best to do those on that channel. So yeah, um, so let's get into today's video here. We have Tornado Watch 350 is in effect right now. So it's until 11 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you're in that area, be careful for possible tornado threat. This is because of tropical storm Elsa. It continues to move up the coast up here. So we've seen quite a few tornado watches be issued the last few days. So yeah, tornado watch 150 probabilities. Tornadoes are moderate 50% chance. Strong tornadoes low 10% chance. Damaging wind low 20% chance. Significant damaging winds low, less than 5% chance. Hail low, less than 5% chance, and same thing with damaging hail, less than 5% chance, so low. Then we also, here's our tropical storm Elsa track in watches and warnings. We see quite a few watches and warnings for South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, Delaware, New Jersey, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts. We see warnings. It'll probably be extended for parts of Maine, probably later on, maybe today or tomorrow. We might see some warnings go in effect there. But this storm continues to be a tropical storm, and it's expected to stay a tropical storm and go into the Atlantic waters. So we also have other watches in effect. Severe Thunderstorm Watch 351 is in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Time. So here are all the counties in that watch. I think that includes New York, I'm pretty sure. New York City is in that watch. Here's this severe thunderstorm watch 351 probabilities. Tornadoes 20% chance low. Strong tornadoes low, less than 2% chance. Damaging wind moderate 50% chance. Significant wind low, less than 5% chance. Hail low 20% chance. And then damaging hail low, less than 5% chance here. And here's what it looks like on radar. And then we have Severe Thunderstorm Watch 352 is in effect. That just went into effect just a little bit ago until 8 p.m. Mountain Time. That'd be 10 p.m. Eastern Time. So longer than the last few watches, except the Tornado Watch. But the Severe Thunderstorm Watch near New York, it's longer than that one. Includes those counties that not too many counties, but most of these counties are big, so that's why not too many counties are in that. Here's what radar looks like. Severe weather watch 352 probabilities. Tornadoes low 20% chance. Strong tornadoes low 5% chance. Damaging winds moderate 40% chance. Significant damaging winds moderate 30% chance. Hail moderate 50% chance, and damaging hail moderate 30% chance. There's an enhanced risk of severe weather today. There is 3 5% tornado risk areas. There is 30% zig hail, and there is 15% zig wind. So we see this is marginal risk and slight risk, and even enhanced risk over here. Over here we have a big marginal risk area, and 3 slight risks right there, and right there, all in slight risk here. So yeah, and then enhanced risk up here where we have watch near there. So yeah, here's the tornado risk today. We have uh, 1, 2, and 3 2% areas. 3 5% areas, including near New York, where her tropical storm Elsa is, and up in near that enhanced risk region, we have 5% chance. We also have 2% chance near Texas because of the flooding and stuff going on down there. We also have an enhanced risk tomorrow now. A marginal risk here. Marginal risk over here because of Tropical Storm Elsa too. We see a slight risk here in the middle of the U.S., including Kansas City and Omaha. And then there's an enhanced risk including near St. Louis, near Des Moines, just south of Des Moines, I'm pretty sure. We have enhanced risk. There is a 5% risk tornado risk area. There is a 30% zig hail and 30% zig wind threat in that enhanced risk region. Zig means significant. Here's our tornado risk for tomorrow. 2% chance of tornadoes. Then 5% chance for northern Missouri, South Iowa, southwestern, or what actually western Illinois in that 5% chance of tornadoes. Then we have a big 2%, and then we have another area 2% near Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Connecticut. Those areas in the 2% chance area. And then there is a marginal risk. I don't know why, but it's enhanced risk for severe weather on Saturday. For this region here, going from Illinois to Oklahoma. So we're going to have marginal risk, not enhanced risk. I'm sorry, I did not mean to put that on here, um, but there's a marginal risk here for the middle of the United States. And it looks like Hurricane Elsa is gone by then. It looks like on day 3 outlook. So yeah. So now it's model time. We're going to look at some models to see what they said. This is the NAM 3K12 Z run. So we're going to see what happens about 11 p.m. We see those storms moving into parts of the enhanced risk region, and they continue into 4 o'clock. Looks like they kind of dissipate. And then heading into tomorrow, some more storms will develop into Missouri, Iowa, Missouri, Nebraska. We see quite a few storms trying to develop here. Some in Iowa, some strong storms, and then it moves to near Kansas City later in the night around 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. This is a 12Z run. There's an 18Z run being done right now, so but I'm not able to view that quite yet, but we're looking at this, and then see some more severe weather trying to spark up for Saturday. So I'm concerned about Saturday too, because it looks like we're gonna have a lot of severe weather. So let's look at the instability here for today for parts of this region up here. Most important is today, because everything that happens today will likely be like tomorrow. And we see a lot of instability around that area, about probably 2,000 joules per kilogram, 1,000, 2,000, where those storms are going to be. Then tomorrow we have a lot more instability for these regions, about near 4,000 joules per kilogram of CAPE here, looking here. So yeah, let's look at that moisture here. Let's see what the moisture is like here. And we're gonna go back to today real quick to see what it looks like today. And we see that we don't have much moisture up there, but we will have some moisture. We're not gonna have much moisture today, as it looks like, at least on this model. But by tomorrow, we have a lot more moisture here showing up. So you can see those severe storms taking in that moisture here for portions of Iowa, Missouri, Nebraska, Kansas. So we're going to have some possibly strong thunderstorms tomorrow. Maybe even stronger than today's severe weather. So at least it's looking like right now on this model. I want to look at, I have pivotal weather on my other screen, and I wanted to look at pivotal weather to look at the significant tornado parameter here, so I'll get it pulled up in just a second here. I'll see what the tornado parameter is around this time. So, wait a minute. See what it looks like around 38 hours out. 38 hours out. And here it is. We have quite a bit of significant tornado parameters. Here are some high as 3.6. Those are pretty high on the significant tornado parameter for tomorrow. So you see there's some 4.9, 5.8. So some very high significant tornado parameter tomorrow. So we're going to have to watch for some possible tornadoes tomorrow. That's why they have that 5% chance of tornadoes tomorrow, and that continues into Kansas City, that significant tornado parameter. Um, looks a little lower by the time it gets there, but still 1.7, so that's why they have a 2% chance for that region of some tornadoes possible. So we're going to watch that tomorrow. So yeah, we're going to watch that tomorrow. We're going to continue to watch that. Let's real quick just look at Sunday, just real quick on NAM 3K here. Just see what it looks like. See if there's about as much cape in the area. And we're looking around 11 a.m. Probably won't be. Oh, why does it go to the 18Z run? And we're seeing some high cape values of at least 2,000 here for parts of these regions. So we could be seeing some high instability here for these regions. Dew points in the 70s here for parts of this region. So we're gonna have possibly, I think the 3 will be a slight risk in the next update, because it's looking a lot more favorable than at least day 1 on this model, according to what it says here. I'm going to just look at see what the HRR says about today's severe weather event. We're just going to look to see what that says, see if it says anything different than the NAM 3K, 3 kilometer. And we have quite a bit of cape, but just not, there isn't that, like, a lot there. 4 storms today. We'll probably still get some severe weather, but it just doesn't look as favorable as tomorrow, and Saturday will look, but still. We got to watch today's severe weather